All right, welcome back to another video. If you would like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show y'all this leak that all cruises gonna have, no matter what. So let's get right into this. So this right here goes to the turbo, to your oil cooler, and it actually sit off into this hole here, and it's a little hole down here. Now I'm gonna show you. This is the dealership one here. As you can see, it has one O-ring on it. And this is AutoZone one here, and it has two. But let me show y'all what happened the other day. I just bought this maybe about 6 months ago. The gaskets on it is already busted up. I'm not sure, is it from the cold? Because it is very cold out here. Both gaskets is actually bad. Even the bottom one, as you can see right there. It was negative 32, and I started the car, and it just started leaking at a rapid pace. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the new one in, but what I'm gonna do is put some of this high temp gasket maker on it, and where I'm gonna put it is right here on the base, all the way around this base right here. And therefore that should, if it decide to rip the gasket or the gasket get ripped, you got a second barrier for it so it doesn't leak. So when you use this, you got to let it sit for a few hours before you crank the car up. So keep that in mind. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do this. All right, so let me show you guys. So what I did, I put it some right here, all the way around. So therefore, and make sure you spread it out pretty good. You don't want it to get all on the O-ring. And before you put this in, make sure you lube that O-ring up with a little oil. That way to slide in there pretty good. The only thing you need to do, put these in, is this is the dealership one now, which is this Torx XT45. That's for the large side of it here. And for the small side, well, for the nut that's holding it in, this one here, you use the E10 50-750. So I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. All right, to give y'all a close-up so y'all can see, it fits down in here, which is your turbo, and then it goes back behind and comes out here, and you have your bolt right here holding it in place right there. And that's the reason why I put the sealant on there, because you can see right here is flat, and by putting that there, if that O-ring doesn't hold like it's supposed to, that sealant is going to stop that oil from coming out here. So I'm gonna show y'all the part number I got this from. This was from the dealership. I'm not sure what number they go by, but I guess the 2520-0947. But that's the information. That's where I got this one from. I would not recommend getting it from AutoZone, because as you can see, it's all ripped up. And like I said, I bought this like 6 months ago. So this was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I didn't show y'all how to put it in, but it's very easy. If this other one wasn't in the way, you just slip it in like that, basically, and wrap it around and push this side down. Thanks for watching my video. Y'all have a good day.